Hey everybody. Before we delve into today's topic of self-discipline, I want to express my gratitude to all our listeners who have been steadfastly supporting this channel. Every new subscriber, like, and share contributes to spreading these positive messages to an ever-growing audience on their personal development and self-mastery journeys. We firmly believe that the content on this channel has the potential to make a significant impact on the world around us. We hold the belief that true positive change begins within each individual. It is our conviction that what you consistently seek, you shall find. In each of these book recap videos, we start by presenting the key takeaways from the book we're covering, followed by a detailed exploration of topics that are often easily overlooked during the initial reading. Let's dive in. Today I have the pleasure of sharing with you some profound insights from the book The Power of Self-Discipline by Peter Hollins. This book is a remarkable exploration of a fundamental trait that can significantly impact our lives and guide us towards personal and professional success. Peter Hollins takes us on a journey through the fascinating world of self-discipline, shedding light on its importance and the strategies we can employ to harness its power. One of the key takeaways from The Power of Self-Discipline is the concept of self-discipline as a skill, not an inherent trait. Hollins emphasizes that anyone, regardless of their background or current level of discipline, can develop this skill through consistent practice and conscious effort. This empowering idea reminds us that we have the ability to take control of our lives and achieve our goals. Hollins delves deep into the significance of setting clear and specific goals. He emphasizes that without well-defined objectives, self-discipline can waver and lose its effectiveness. Hollins delves deep into the significance of setting clear and specific goals. He emphasizes that without well-defined objectives, self-discipline can waver and lose its effectiveness. The book guides us through the process of setting SMART goals. These are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, providing a roadmap for success in various areas of our lives. The Power of Self-Discipline underscores the importance of motivation in our journey towards self-discipline. Hollins reminds us that motivation can be fickle, but by cultivating habits, routines, and a growth mindset, we can sustain our motivation over the long term. This understanding encourages us to build a strong foundation for our self-discipline. A central theme in the book is the idea that self-discipline is not about restriction or punishment, but rather about freedom and empowerment. Hollins illustrates how self-discipline can liberate us from the shackles of procrastination, self-doubt, and distractions, allowing us to achieve our dreams and live a more fulfilling life. Furthermore, the power of self-discipline introduces us to the concept of self-awareness. Hollins explains that self-awareness is crucial for identifying our strengths and weaknesses when it comes to discipline. By recognizing our triggers, habits, and patterns, we can make informed decisions and take proactive steps to enhance our self-discipline. The book also emphasizes the importance of creating an environment that supports our self-discipline efforts. This proactive approach helps us maintain our discipline even when faced with external temptations. Peter Hollins discusses the significance of consistency in our pursuit of self-discipline. He reminds us that small, consistent actions can lead to significant long-term change. By developing daily routines and habits that align with our goals, we can gradually strengthen our self-discipline and inch closer to our aspirations. This book is a treasure trove of wisdom, and while its core messages are powerful, there are some nuances and subtle ideas that deserve our attention. One often overlooked concept in the book is the idea of self-discipline as a mental muscle. Just like physical muscles, our self-discipline can be strengthened through exercise. Hollins reminds us that it's not about being perfect from the start, but about gradually building our self-discipline over time. It's about understanding that setbacks and failures are part of the process, and by persistently working on our discipline, we can steadily improve. Another subtle but crucial concept is the role of self-compassion. While the book emphasizes the importance of self-discipline, it also reminds us not to be too hard on ourselves. Hollins suggests that self-compassion is a vital component of sustaining self-discipline. Instead of harsh self-criticism when we slip up, we should treat ourselves with kindness and use those moments as opportunities for growth. The Power of Self-Discipline also highlights the idea of strategic quitting. While it may seem counterintuitive, knowing when to quit certain pursuits can be a display of self-discipline. Hollins encourages us to reevaluate our goals and commitments regularly. If we find that a particular goal or project no longer aligns with our values or priorities, it's okay to let it go. This concept challenges the misconception that self-discipline means never give up, reminding us that it's about focusing on what truly matters. The book introduces the concept of self-discipline as a lifestyle, not a temporary fix. It's not about going on a short-term diet or setting short-lived resolutions, but rather about integrating self-discipline into our daily lives. Hollins emphasizes the importance of consistency and long-term commitment to our goals. This shift in mindset can make self-discipline a sustainable and lasting part of our journey. The Power of Self-Discipline touches on the concept of delayed gratification. This idea reminds us that self-discipline often involves sacrificing immediate pleasures for greater rewards in the future. Hollins encourages us to think beyond the present moment and consider the long-term consequences of our actions. It's about making choices that serve our future selves and lead to lasting fulfillment. The book subtly emphasizes the role of self-reflection and introspection in building self-discipline. Hollins encourages us to regularly evaluate our progress and adjust our strategies as needed. This self-awareness allows us to adapt and grow on our self-discipline journey. The Power of Self-Discipline offers not only the foundational principles of self-discipline, but also these nuanced and often overlooked concepts that can elevate our understanding and practice of self-discipline. It teaches us that self-discipline is not just a single skill, but a multifaceted approach to living a purposeful life. We encourage you to revisit this book at some point, reflect on these subtle concepts, and incorporate them into your pursuit of self-discipline and success. Thank you for joining us today. Subscribe if you like this content, and we'll see you in the next one.